Morning students. Now we are discussing about a continuation class of higher boranes. Higher boranes. There are so many types, nothing but 8 types of higher boranes. First topic completed, that is diborane preparation and diborane structure of diborane is completed. Next goes to higher boranes. Higher boranes lo first topic enti tetraborane. The formula of the tetraborane B4H10 complete చేసుకున్నాం. Then next goes to pentaborane 9. I mean penta means 5. The topic is pentaborane. Pentaborane 9. Pentaborane 9 formula B5H9. Pentaborane 9. There are two types of pentaboranes, pentaborane 11 and pentaborane 9. So మనం ఇప్పుడు చెప్పుకునే టాపిక్ ఏంటి చూడండి, pentaborane 9. First one, preparation. ఏ ప్రిపరేషన్ చూడండి, pentaborane ఏ ప్రిపరేషన్. ఫస్ట్ వన్, diborane on react with hydrogen at 200 degrees Celsius. At 200 degrees Celsius to form pentaborane B5H9. This is the preparation. The reaction is diborane formula B2H6 on reaction with H2 with a temperature of 200 degrees Celsius. It gives B5H9. Reaction is on imbalance. So number of hydrogens are 8, they are 9. So B5. So 5 into 2 into 5, 5 into 6, 30, 32, 18. So reaction on balance. Reaction balance తర్వాత చెప్తాను, టైం వేస్ట్ అవుతుంది. This is the preparation of the pentaborane 9. Next goes to properties. What is the property of pentaborane 9? First one, B5H9, that means pentaborane 9 on reaction with C3H4, one of the hydrocarbon, in reaction with the presence of AlCl, the aluminium chloride, it gives B5H9C2H5. This is the complex of pentaborane 9. Next property goes to B5H9 on reaction with 2 moles of liquid ammonia. Liquid ammonia to react అవుతుంది. Liquid ammonia to react అవుతుంది చూడండి. The complex is Li2B5H, and this is the compound. Next goes to structure. ఈ రియాక్షన్స్ అన్నీ కూడా నేను చెప్పాల్సింది ఏముండదు, ఆల్రెడీ ఉన్నాయి. అట్లా పెద్దగా ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేసి ఇంకా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసేది ఏముండదు, ఆల్రెడీ ఎలా ఉందో అలా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకోవాల్సింది. నెక్స్ట్ స్ట్రక్చర్ ఆఫ్ ది B5H9. B 4 corners boron atoms and hydrogens like this. Next, this is the fifth carbon, sorry, fifth Next, again, every boron has again one more of hydrogen. This is the structure of B5H9. Once again I repeat, what is the topic? Pentaboron 9. Pentaboron 9 means pentaboron 11 ఉంది, pentaboron 9 ఉంది, but pentaboron 9 means B5H9, pentaboron 11 B5H11. This is the different formulas of pentaborons. Now let us go to pentaboron preparation. Pentaboron preparation. What is the preparation? Second is preparation. Diboron on reaction with hydrogen in the presence of 200 degrees Celsius to 250 degrees Celsius. It gives pentaboron 9. In case of properties, pentaboron 9 on reaction with one of the hydrocarbon, the formula is C3H4 in the presence of AlCl3. It gives one of the complex of pentaboron 9. The formula is B5H9C2H5. Next property, B5H9 nothing but pentaboron 9 on reaction with liquid ammonia gives the formula is Li2B5H5. This is the complex of pentaboron 9. Next goes to structure of the pentaboron 9. This is the structure, 4 corners of boron. It is the center of the boron. Every boron has 4 hydrogens. Middle of the boron, one of the hydrogen. This is the structure of pentaboron 9. Next one, pentaboron 11. Pentaboron 11. The formula of the pentaboron 11 B5H11. This is the formula of the pentaboron 11. Next, preparation. Preparation. Formula of the pentaboron 11 preparation. On the diboron on heating with tetraboron. It gives pentaboron 11. This is the theory of preparation. Now let us go to reaction. B5H10, nothing but diboron on reaction with tetraboron formula. B5H10 on reaction with diboron B2H6. It gives pentaboron 11. Pentaboron formula B5H11. B5H11. Here 2 moles. Here also 2 moles and 1 more of additional product. This is the reaction of preparation of B5H11, nothing but pentaboron 11. Now once again I repeat, diboron on reaction with tetraboron, sorry, B5H6 tetraboron. B5H6 sorry, B2 book wrong. It's 6 B4 H10. Sorry. B2 diboron on reaction with tetraboron, it gives pentaboron 11. This is the reaction of pentaboron 11. Next goes to properties. One of the property, it dissociates in the presence of Lewis acids and give B6H10 and B2H6. Rather, it dissociates in presence of Lewis acids. Lewis acids gives B6H10 and B2H6. రాద్దాం ఆ రియాక్షన్స్ రాద్దాం. 2B5H11 H11 gives 2B6H10 plus B2H6 and B5H11 with the temperature of 100 degrees Celsius B4H10. These are the reactions. Now structure of the pentaborane. Same ఇంతకు ముందు లాగానే 4 కార్నర్స్ ఇక్కడ రాద్దామా. బోరాన్ 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 and boron. One of the hydrogen, here also one of the hydrogen, here also one of the hydrogen. ఎలా చేస్తున్నాం చూడండి. నెక్స్ట్ one of the hydrogen, same ఇంతకు ముందు లాగానే hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. ఇది B5H9 ఫార్ములా. ఎక్స్ట్రా 2 హైడ్రోజన్స్ ఎక్కడ ఉన్నాయి చూడండి. దిస్ ఇస్ ద స్ట్రక్చర్ ఆఫ్ pentaborane 11. నెక్స్ట్ ఫార్ములా నెక్స్ట్ గోస్ టు బోరాజోల్. చెక్ చేసుకోండి. నెక్స్ట్ ఫార్ములా ఇస్ బోరాజోల్. బోరాజోల్ మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ వన్. Next topic, borazole. Borazole. The formula of the borazole B3N3H6. B3N3H6. It is the other name of borazole is inorganic benzene. Inorganic benzene. Now, preparation of borazole. Preparation. Diborane on heating with ammonia at high temperature. Check చేసుకోండి. బోరాజోల్ ఎలా ప్రిపేర్ చేస్తున్నటువంటి డైబోరేన్ ఆన్ హీటింగ్ విత్ అమోనియా. రాద్దాం. డైబోరేన్ ఫార్ములా B2H6 ఆన్ హీటింగ్ విత్ అమోనియా NH3 at high temperatures. Raddam 3B2. So even 6 or 200. The formula is 2 moles of B3N3H6 plus 12 moles of hydrogen molecules. This is the borazone preparation. Once again I repeat, diborane on heating with ammonia at the high temperature it gives borazole. This is the formula of the borazole. Next, properties. This one is colorless liquid. Next property goes to hydrolysis of borazole gives boric acid. Already మనకు తెలుసు బోరిక్ యాసిడ్ ఫార్ములా ఏంటి? H3BO3 లేకుంటే BOH taken thrice, దీన్ని ఆర్థో బోరిక్ యాసిడ్ అని కూడా అంటారు. రాద్దాం. బోరాజోల్ hydrolysis of borazole gives boric acid. దాన్ని ఏమంటాం? B3N3H6 undergoes hydrolysis. Borazole undergoes hydrolysis. It gives boric acid formula ఏంటి? H3B3O3. 3 moles of H3B3O3 plus 3 moles of ammonia plus 3 moles of hydrogen. This is the borazole, one of the property. Next property, borazole on reaction 3 moles of HCl to give B3N3H9Cl. This is the product of borazole on reaction with HCl. Once again, borazole on reaction with HCl, it gives B3N3H9Cl3. Now the reaction of borazole B3N3H3 on reaction with 3 moles of HCl, it gives B3N3H6 H9Cl3. This is the product. Now structure of the borazole. Check it. Once again I repeat, what is borazole? Borazole formula B3N3H6. The other name of borazole, that is inorganic benzene. Next preparation, diborane on reaction with ammonia at the high temperature, it gives the formula of borazole. Diborane on reaction with ammonia at the high temperature, it gives borazole. Next one, properties. It is a colorless liquid. Next, hydrolysis of borazole it gives boric acid. దీన్ని ఎట్లా చూడండి, borazole undergoes hydrolysis, it gives orthoboric acid and ammonia. Next one, borazole on reaction with HCl to give B3N3H9Cl3. This is the product of borazole properties. Next, most important one, structure. Diborane లాగానే దీని స్ట్రక్చర్ కూడా అడిగే ఛాన్సెస్ ఉంటాయి. రాదా దీన్ని ఏమంటున్నాం? ఇనార్గానిక్ బెంజీన్ అంటున్నాం. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్, వాట్ ఈస్ ఆర్గానిక్ బెంజీన్? ఆర్గానిక్ బెంజీన్ ఫార్ములా C6H6, number of hydrogens, number of carbons 6 in cyclic form. This is the organic benzene. లేకుంటే benzene just. This is the organic benzene. Now let us go to B3N3H6, nothing but diborane. Inorganic benzene formula రాస్తున్నాం. Alternate go nitrogen and nitrogen, alternate గా boron atoms రాద్దాం. Next goes to nitrogen. Every boron and the nitrogen has one of the hydrogen, same as it is like C6H6. This is the inorganic benzene. This one is inorganic benzene. This is the structure of borazole. Check చేసుకుందాం. సేమ్ ఎలా ఉందో చూడండి. బెంజీన్ లాగానే బెంజీన్ ఫార్ములా C6H6. Number of carbons 6, number of hydrogens also 6. Double bonds ఎలా ఉందో చూడండి. Alternate double bonds, same as this ఆర్గానిక్ బెంజిన్ లాగానే ఇనార్గానిక్ బెంజిన్ కూడా ఆల్టర్నేట్ డబుల్ బాండ్స్ తోటి alternate double bonds and alternate boron and nitrogen atoms toti react avutundi. This is the formula of borazole. Thank you.